Rakhi, a student of Clear Concept, and I got admission into Gargi College, which is one of the best girls' college of Delhi University. I would express my special thanks of gratitude to whole Clear Concept family, including Dr. Sir, teachers, and whole staff present over there. I would express my special thanks to all those teachers who were there with me during my CUET preparation, and they supported me without caring whether it's day or night. And at last, by finishing my words, I would suggest all the CUET aspirants and my juniors to go through the NCERT line by line. That will surely help you all to get admission into your dream college. That's all. Thank you.